Alright ladies, listen up and listen up good. There's an urban warfare going on in Bali, Indonesia, and we have been activated to provide reinforcements. Next week, you guys will be deployed to the MEGABANDO. And this is not a drill. This is not an exercise. This is the real thing. So you guys better bring your A game. There will be casualties. Some of you might come out alive. Some of you might be badly injured. Some of you might even die. But one thing's for sure, I'm not gonna leave any quad behind. So make sure your turtle modes are all on point, because I need you to be recoverable. So some of you are war vets. You've done this before. Some of you are rookies. But hey, I know all of you have been training all your lives for this very moment. Mini 4, you're my eyes in the sky. Proto 25, you're my stealth assassin. Volodos 1, Volodos 2, you guys are my main man. You're the tankers. You're gonna barge in the gate and rip the bando apart. For Quadmula, you are the backup man. If all else fails, I'm gonna put you in and you're gonna kamikaze. You're gonna suicide bomb that place, right? As for the DJI avatar, for you, I think you'll just stay here, take care of my cats. I don't want you to death tumble in enemy territory, right? Okay guys, so further briefing will be done closer to the date. In the meantime, I want you guys to have a lot of rest. Say your prayers. God bless. We will emerge victorious. MEGABANDO Bali. Here we come.